Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss about a real number. Real number denoted by R, symbol just like that. Basically, real number is the union of rational and irrational number. So before discuss rational and irrational number, first we have to discuss natural number, whole number, integer, so first we have to discuss about natural number. Natural number denoted by n. The numbers 1, 2, 3 which we use for counting certain objects are called natural numbers or positive integer. Both names positive integer and natural numbers used for counting number. So the number which we use for counting is called natural number, whole number. If we include 0 in the set of natural numbers, the resulting set, the set of whole numbers. Whole number denoted by W. So this means that natural number is the subset of whole number. Now integers. The set of integers consists of positive integer 0. Positive integers means natural number 0 and negative integer. Negative integer -1, -2 and so on. Integers denoted by Z and represented by this way, started from 0 to right hand side 1, 2, 3 and to left side -1, -2, -3. This set also denoted as 0 plus over -1 plus over -2 and so on. So this means that natural number contains an whole number and whole number contains an integer and integers. Now rational numbers. Rational numbers. All numbers of the form P by Q, where P, Q are integer and Q not equal to 0 are called numbers, are called rational numbers. The set of rational numbers denoted by Q and mathematically Q is equal to P over Q such that P Q belong to integer and Q must not equal to 0. Means integer divided by non-zero integer is called rational number. -1 divided by 2, 22 divided by 7, because 22 is belong to integer and 7 also belong to integers. -22 divided by 7, 3 divided by 2, -3 divided by 2, means number which written in P by Q. P and Q must be integer and Q not equal to 0. If a number satisfies this condition, then the number is called rational number. Irrational numbers. The numbers which can't be expressed as quotient of integers are called irrational numbers. The sets of irrational number denoted by Q prime. Q prime is equal to X such that X must not equal to P by Q, where P, Q belong to integer and Q not equal to 0. Means 1 divided by square root 2. This number cannot be written as the quotient of two integers. Means this number belong to irrational number. Square root 2 divided by 1. This is also cannot be written as the quotient of two integers. So square root 2 belong to irrational number. Pi is well known irrational number. Euler number is also irrational number. Now real number. For example, the number this including pi all are rational numbers. Now the union of the set of rational the union of rational and irrational numbers is known as the set of real numbers. Means real number will be the union of the set of rational number and the set of irrational number. Here Q and Q prime are both the subset of real numbers. Means it means that Q contain in real number, Q prime is the real numbers. From this diagram, natural number is the subset of whole number. Whole number is the subset of integer, and integer is the subset of rational number, and rational number is the subset of real numbers. Means natural number contain in whole number contain in integer, and integer contain in irrational number. But point to be noted that Q and Q prime is equal to R, but Q intersection Q prime must be empty set. So it means that the set of rational and irrational number must be disjoint. For each prime numbers, If we consider 2 square root 2 means square root of positive prime will be belong to irrational numbers. Square root of all positive non-square integer are irrational number. For example, we consider 8. 8 is not prime, but this is positive and not perfect square, so the square root of 8 will be belong to what? Irrational numbers. So it means that set of natural number contain an whole number contain an integer contain an rational number, but the set of irrational number is separated, and these both set contain in the set of real numbers. This is a simple lecture about the set of real number. Thank you so much.